paper with a 100-watt laser. The machine used in this video is a Boss LS2436. Cutting paper is extremely easy, and with the right settings you can cut through it quickly without leaving burn marks. Because of the level of precision in these cuts, you would ideally want to use a 60-watt laser for the smallest possible spot size, but as you can see, the 100-watt tube is able to manage the cuts just fine. Since paper is so easy to cut, you essentially want to be running your machine at the fastest speed that is still stable and the lowest power possible. For this job, I am cutting at 35 millimeters per second at 15% power. The file I'm using is a DXF file that I found online. I will link the website in the description so that you can take a look at the files yourself, or if you have one of our machines, you could download the file and use it to cut out one of your own cards. The site has 50 or so different DXF files for you to download that are specifically designed for laser cutting on paper. If you do try these out yourself, I would take a little bit of time to dial in your settings on whatever material you are using. Draw a few squares and try cutting them out before running the whole file. As I said, I am using a 100-watt laser running at 35 millimeters per second at 15% power, so adjust your settings accordingly. If you go fast enough with low enough power, you should be able to cut through all kinds of paper with literally no burning on the edges. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions about our machines, feel free to visit our website or call us to speak with one of our sales representatives.